it's just support and resistance. Like, you learn it with Forex, but it's really the same thing. It's just support and resistance, right? So she's just really looking for those areas where, those zones where the market has tested. See, like this one right here. Like, you want to see where the wicks are, right? So wicks are coming up, down, down. So this would be a zone, and see, that's why this band is right here. So when the market gets right here, that's a beautiful buy right here. So that's a zone as well. So I think that's how Millie gets her sniper entries. But yeah, she's definitely one of my favorite educators. But yeah, do you guys have any questions?
So this is another video for SalesVision. And another night.
See this trade play out?
Trading.
It can definitely be addicting. Nice. Not gonna lie. So I had to cut myself off after an hour. Because you guys definitely don't want to, you know, over trade and then have your wins and then the next, it's like, okay, let me have a couple more and then get out, right? So about to clear these two. So yeah, we cleared both of those.
Yay. Just let us know. Thank you for watching. This is another video for
So yeah, do you guys have any questions?
Video challenge, 100 videos for 100 days. Thank you for watching. Bye.